ABLIC. Automotive ICs.
Using a high-output current LDO as a power supply for V2X and TCU communication modules. The S-19246 series, linear regulator by ABLIC. Let's discover together the features of the S-19246. The first feature. The advantage of not using a DC-DC converter. The LDO S-19246, which is capable of 2 amperes output, is the ideal power supply for a communication module such as the V2X or TCU, whose current requirements vary with reception environment. When a 2 amperes class output current becomes necessary, a DC-DC converter is usually called for. However, a DC-DC converter comes with a number of drawbacks. The coils and other external components it requires increase the size of the mounting area, and it causes switching noise that impacts communications. An LDO can solve these drawbacks for communication modules that operate intermittently rather than constantly. The second feature. Why high output current is not a problem for LDOs. Heat generation is the greatest cause for concern of 2 amperes class output current LDOs. Intermittently operating communication suppresses heat generation compared to a constantly operating system. Another advantage is the high heat dissipating TO2525SA package the S-19246 is housed in, which easily accommodates current as high as 2 amperes. We also provide a thermal simulation service to convince customers of the safety of our system. The third feature. Specifications that guarantee ease of use and safety. A 10 volts input, 12 volts rating even for the secondary power supply IC. The S-19246 uses a high withstand voltage secondary power supply with a 10 volts input and 12 volts rating. A comparatively high operation voltage setting increases the flexibility of circuit design. Soft start function enables safe startup. The S-19246 integra soft start function that gradually raises output voltage to suppress abrupt changes in output voltage. This function ensures safe device startup by preventing inrush current that could otherwise occur. The S-19246 can be used for various applications. For automotive communication modules, etc. For automotive use, car body, headlight, ITS, accessory, car navigation system, car audio system, etc. Constant voltage power supply for telecommunication module. Constant voltage power supply for home electric appliance. We offer a variety of automotive linear regulators in addition to the S-19246. If you'd like more in-depth product details, have any questions, or need assistance with a purchase, feel free to reach out to ABLIC. Thank you for taking the time to watch the video.
ABLIC. Automotive ICs.